Hi guys, Stephen Welder Design. Got a new tool today, laser cross line on a Stanley Fat LCF-G. Just thought I'd share it off you really, see what you think, see what I think. It's a green laser, self-leveling, so it's good for levels and tilers, you know. I'm a welder, but so I'm using it for leveling steel work, the buildings and stuff like that. It's a nice rubberized exterior, dual mounting 3/8 and 4-inch fixings for tripods. And it also is detector pulsar is a post on the top there for detectors. It's the window where the laser is, and it's locked as well, so we're transporting it. It's quite good really. It's a green laser. Why they've started doing the green lasers is it's a better view, it's a natural, it's an easier. The reason they started doing green lasers is because it's easier for the human eye to recognise and see that colour as opposed to red. Red was the easier laser to sort of produce. But as technology's evolved, they've started doing the green laser, and it particularly becomes apparent when you're in bright light situations. If you're outside in the sun or you're indoors and there's bright light sort of shining, sometimes the red lasers get quite hard to see. Green lasers, they stand out a little bit more, so they appear a little bit more brighter to the human eye than what the red lasers do. In the pack that you get with the bag, you do get, there's a lot of them, you do get these little plates, so that does help highlight where the line is, and you get your goggles as well, so that does also help highlight as well. You do get these with the red lasers, but as I say, the green lasers, you won't need to use the goggles so much because it is a bit more clear. The other thing with the Stanley that you get, which is really good, is a little mini tripod, but it also does just like that. It doesn't look like, it will screw onto there, so fit down, and it makes itself a little stand. If I just get the like that, and then what this does is sit on the top. I'll just go around there a minute and give you an idea. That's the window where the lasers come, and that's the locking switch, so transporting it, it locks it, and it also is the power button. And you come round, and the only other the controls here are on the top there. That's a battery indicator. So if I turn it on, you can immediately see the lasers, and that's the lasers appearing there. And the reason why it's flashing, get my hand out of the way, the reason why it's flashing is because it's saying that the laser isn't level. So if I just raise it up a little bit, adjust it, still doing it. Give it a couple of seconds. There, that's level. You've got a 4-degree window, which means that when it's flashing, there we go. you've got a 4-degree window, so as you can see there, it's nice and level, and it will self-level itself up to about 4 degrees. Anything over that, so if I get that, well, just to show you on the top there, look, see there, and if I just get that and move it slightly, that will flash. And also, you can focus there, you see it will flash, and that's just saying that it can't level itself because it's out that 4-degree window. So it's telling you that the lines are there and they're straight, but they are not plumb or horizontal. So it's quite a colourful thing, and that's it on this little tripod. So it's got the bigger fixings, and depending if you have any other tripods, I've got this one here which does extend out, but I won't do that now. And it's got a 3/8 focus, 3/8 end on there. Let me just turn this off again. And that marries up with that one there. So if I show you, there you go, that's it on there, and it's mounted. And obviously with the tripods you got nice and stable, but you can go up and down as well to get a height if you're using it for that and you need a certain height. You can also screw that on there, and then you can screw it on there and then rotate it if you wanted to, and it would be using the thread to go up and down. But yeah, it's a very clear, nice tool, and it does what it says on the box really, and it is nice and clear and easy to see. So I can recommend that if you did want it, then it's a good tool. If you've got any questions or anything, so that's the Stanley Fat Max green crossline laser. If you've got any questions you want to ask me specifically about this, if I can answer them, I can, I will. Completely independent review. I'm not being paid by anyone to say it, but because you know they're not cheap things, are they? These things, so you know, more than happy to sort of try and help you guys before you do it. But cheers, guys, for Murder Design.